My hubby and I have decided that it is time to lose some stubborn weight and some pounds that have crept up. So we're starting a 6 weeks challenge to make some things happen, and I'm going to document the process. Today I'm going to take you through what we're doing, our workouts, and do a sample what I eat in a day. So what's up? What are we doing? I am working to lose 10 to 15 pounds of some stubborn weight. I love my body, but I'm just really not getting in love with what I see or how I feel right now. I've generally been hovering in the upper 150s and at times and lately in the lower 160s. And so for reference, I am just a hair under 5'8". And while it's not a terrible weight, it's just not the weight where I feel most comfortable. I am not a professional in this area. I'm just speaking from my own experience. If you're not me, what I'm doing and what may work for me very likely may have a different impact on you. The thing is, I work really well with hard and fast deadlines with just about everything. If I have unlimited time to be able to do a thing, I will take unlimited time to be able to do it, which is, I feel like, why I'm in this spot right now. So we have a 6-week deadline in place, and I am super excited. On my channel, I promote doing things to be able to live the life of your dreams. And I guess with my fitness right now or my physical appearance, I don't feel like I have been doing that. I've gained a few pounds over the past couple of years that don't make me feel really good and honestly makes me feel like I don't recognize myself. Also, Ken is used to being an athlete and doesn't feel like he's in the best shape either. Our bodies are not bad, it's just not where we feel comfortable. So I think it's really important to say that this is our baseline for ourselves and where we're trying to get to. I think other people might look at us and have their own opinions, good or bad, whatever. It is what it is. I can't control what other people think. But how I feel in my skin is the standard for the goals that I'm setting for myself and that Ken is setting for himself. I often feel just tired, and our lives are way too busy and demanding to not be feeling our best. I also want to look my best too. Right now, I don't fit in a lot of my clothes that I want to wear, and I'm really just not down for that. I want to be in the best shape of my life, and I want to maintain it. And it's summer coming. Bikinis and shorts and all the things. I need to wear them. I love my body, and because I do, I want it to be better both in health and aesthetics, and that is perfectly okay. I'm really excited about this because I'm in a place where I can do it with a healthy mindset and in a place from self-love, which hasn't always been my story. I do think it's really important to approach any kind of aesthetic/fitness goal from a place of self-love, because if not, it can just really go off the rails. I think you have to have a really strong why that has nothing to do with what other people think about you. We are doing a 6-week challenge that includes 2 things. 1, a very specific workout plan, and tightening up our eating habits, and for me, a small calorie deficit. I need something that is time-bound and where I'm in and out. So I live a generally healthy lifestyle. I eat well, I work out, but I'm human. I've had so much transition and so much back and forth these past couple of years that it's really been hard to stick with anything or to really focus on anything. So I'll do an activity that makes me feel good for as long as it makes me feel good, but then nothing really structured. Sometimes to meet certain physical goals, there needs to be structure, and I just haven't really had that either in my physical activity or in my eating. Let's move on to the workout. We found a workout plan that we're going to follow together. So it's 6 weeks of about 1 to 2 workouts a day. This is probably the most dramatic shift. Nothing too crazy, meaning like a lift 3 to 5 days a week, along with some form of cardio every day. This will keep my body active. There are times when I think I've moved more than I have, but because I travel so much, I'll realize later on that days will have passed where I don't want to work out or walk or anything, and I've spent my days being more sedentary than I would prefer. We just finished week 1, and it has definitely been a stretch. Fun, but a stretch. So today is Monday, June 6th. It is the start of the 6 weeks challenge. I'm just ready to do this. I'm ready to do this. Let's get to it. This is the end of the day, almost the end of the day of day 2. It's almost 5:30. I have steps that I need to get in, and it would really be easy to just go and sit down because I'm tired. Alrighty, so today is day 4, and I am so tired. I am almost done. I started out getting my steps on the elliptical, but the dude next to me was breathing very loudly, and I just did not have the mental space to entertain that.
My husband Ken and I have been doing this together.
We haven't been together for this week, but it's been really nice to have him doing it with me and know that he's doing it because he can be my accountability partner and we can push each other. I would say that if you are on a fitness or health journey, but you don't have someone to do it with, then share those goals with somebody that you trust and someone who could potentially hold you accountable. Food. So for right now, I will be in a small calorie deficit of about 1,700 calories, which is a bit arbitrary because I haven't actually been tracking my calories lately to know where I am maintaining. But I do know that that seems like a reasonable goal that works for me. And if it doesn't work, then I will adjust. If I feel like I'm too hungry after 2 weeks and I'm losing weight too fast, I'll increase my calories. If nothing's budging and I feel like I need to adjust lower, I'll do that too. I don't really anticipate that though. I'm prioritizing eating more veggies and also getting in my protein so that I maintain the muscle that I have. I love protein. In fact, I love all foods. I really just like to eat, but I could live on carbs and fat and be just in heaven. I mean, bread and cheese, bread and butter, crackers and cheese, pasta and butter. You get my point. Without focusing on protein, I naturally just hang out with carbs and fats. Unless it's that time of the month, I am not that much of a snacker. I thrive off either like 2 big meals a day and a snack or 3 meals a day. That generally works for me. It also allows me to be able to have my coffee just the way that I like it. No day, I guess, is really typical for what I eat because, as you know, I'm not big on meal prep, but I do have some general things that I do consume frequently, I suppose. So that is the plan, and that is what I am up to. If you are also on a I need to get myself together sort of a journey, then let's just hang out, follow along, and let's be an encouragement and support to one another. Also, let me know in the comments if there is a goal that you're working on. It does not matter what it is. It does not have to be physical related at all. Just what's a goal that you're working on? I'm super excited to document this journey and really start to see the changes that I make, both in my body, but then also just really in my habits and getting my routine back on track. Throughout this, I am reminding myself that I am just on time to live the life of my dreams, as I am reminding that to you as well. So, week 1 down. Tomorrow starts week 2. See you soon. Bye.